Hello, welcome to Fat Guy Productions. I'm Paul, coming to you from beautiful Las Vegas, Nevada. And in today's video, we're going to do an unboxing of a little bit different of a kit. This may not be up everybody's alley, but I saw it. It looked like a lot of fun, just like a gap filler maybe, somewhere I could, something I could work with while I'm working on the Christie and whatnot. And it is this little tank model that I got at all places, Hobby Lobby. And this is a Sherman US medium tank M4A1 made by Meng. And it's a little cartoon tank. And it's super cool. It looks like a lot of fun, a great place to have some fun with some weathering, maybe try some modulation on it and some different things like that. So I'm planning on building this and I'm going to have a lot of fun with it. So let's take a quick look at the box here. So as you see, you've got the art and you can see what the product looks like. It's made by Meng. And I'm not entirely sure that it would have a scale on it because clearly this is not a scale model. Over on the sides, you know, it's got some more artwork. The important part here is on the back. This kit is based on a video game called War Toons. You know, you get it? World War II, War Toons. Okay. Anyhow, apparently they must have a lot of little cartoon things. Now, I have seen personally at my Hobby Lobby a B-17 and I think it was the Lexington aircraft carrier in this, and I think they have a couple other kits as well. So if the tank isn't your thing, you can go with one of the other things. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and open this up and take a look and see what we have. Okay, small kit. All right. Okay, so this is a very small kit. See the decals. the tank tracks are, this is so silly small. It's one kit. It looks pretty good. It's molded in green that is completely not right. I see about three different sprues in here, an instruction sheet, some decals, and some tracks. So we have plenty of time in this video, so let's take it and open it up and take a closer look. Alrighty. Okay, start with the decal sheet. I see just some American stars, some labels. It's hard to see underneath the protective paper. I'm not going to open that up. There's the little tracks I was telling you about. Very silly looking, but it could be a lot of fun. Total just piece of rubber. All right. There's a sprue here. Okay, this sprue has the tank barrel, the turret. I see hatches. A lot of the accessory pieces. All right. There's the road wheels and the bogies and stuff. All right. Anybody who's built a tank model is going to kind of have an idea. And there you can see the size of the body next to my hands here. This is a small little tank, and I'm going to have a hard time after this is built keeping this. I suspect my wife is going to try and steal this thing. All right, and then last but not least, the instruction sheet. How complicated can it be? Actually, very, very nice instructions. I'm really impressed. Very clear color, nice little glossy booklet. Really stepping things up here with the instructions. Yeah, a simple, quick little build. It's got painting, some other little instructions. Yeah, so here's the instruction booklet. All right. Yeah, so this looks like it should be a really fun kit. All right, so normally when I do one of these reviews, I do a report card on the kit. I'm not going to do that here. I'm just going to say that right off the top, it looks like it's a really nice little kit. Looks like it could be a lot of fun. You know, it is what it is. But I'll save the report card until after I do a build on it. But for right now, I'll just say that it's boxed well. The instructions are nice. I see absolutely no flash. I see a well-cast piece that you can have a lot of fun with. So let's just leave it at that for today with this unboxing of the Meng Sherman. And I'll probably take you along for the ride on the build. And certainly after the build, we'll do a review and a report card on this kit. But for now, I give it a thumbs up. I think it looks pretty cool. It looks like a lot of fun and certainly something I'm going to enjoy being able to have and be able to work on in between stages on the Christie. All right, so that is Paul from Fat Guy Productions with this unboxing of the Meng Sherman Tank. Until next time, be good.